Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're in the world. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Jasmy update. We want to take a look at our favorite altcoin to try and see what exactly is happening right here with the price action, because I see something that I think is going to be monumental heading into the future with the Jasmy price set. So I'm going to be talking about that, and I'm also going to be looking at short-term price action here on the Jasmy price set. So before getting into this content, I just want to kindly ask you to help me spread this video by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. People looking for Jasmy content will now be able to find this video much more easily. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, I would encourage you to do so, really, because I do TA on Jasmy on a regular basis. And without me running my mouth too much, let me actually get into the real stuff. So the last time we talked about the Jasmy price set, I think 3 days ago, we were looking at this falling wedge right here, and we were predicting that we are going to break the upside and hit a specific price target right here, which would be something like the top of the wedge. That's the technical price target for falling wedges anyway. So that's something like $0.0058 per Jasmy, and the lower range of that's something like $0.0055 per Jasmy. So these are the targets, looking at just the resistance lines that we have here on the Jasmy price set. So yeah, we eventually bounced off of this support that we drew back then in November on the Jasmy price set, and it's really interesting to see that that support is still coming in handy right here. So if you extend it like this, you can actually see that yes, we bounced right exactly on that spot. So that's good here on the Jasmy price set. But the thing that has me really excited right here, and I've been showing you this for I think a very long time right here, is we finally have gotten, or maybe it's not official just yet, that we have had that golden cross that we were looking for. That's the 200 daily moving average crossing with the 200 daily moving average. I don't know what I said that, but I wanted to say that the 100 daily moving average is crossing the 200 daily moving average, and I think that's something that is going to be positive in the long run for the Jasmy price set. Why do I say something like that? The last time we had a cross to the downside, right, which was a negative effect. Obviously, let me go ahead and show you that on my Gate.io price set. You can see that here the last time we had something like that, it was really bad for the Jasmy price set. So if this can have an effect that can push the price like this all the way down here, having a cross to the upside could actually lead the Jasmy price set to even greater heights. Obviously, we are following this falling wedge, as you can see right here, and we are having a nice back test right here. We are bouncing off of that support level. As I mentioned already, the range for this support level is really wide. So that's something like 0.00, you know what, 44 for the Jasmy price set there, and the lower range obviously something like $0.0036 per Jasmy. We'll see what happens here, but at the moment it seems like we have already had 2 bounces on that top of range right here. So at the moment we are trying to work that golden cross that I was just talking about, and the thing here is it's still acting as resistance at the moment. Not yet confirmed whether we are going to break above it or below it, but as I was just showing from the RSI right here, you can see that the RSI is in a good position. We didn't dip far below like 30 or something like that. We're supported right around 35, 36, and I think this is actually something that is good. I was mentioning it in older videos, saying that if we see the Jasmy price at the RSI actually not dipping too low right here and getting supported right around 40, that's like 38, 37, I think that would actually indicate that maybe the dynamics of the markets have changed. So we were having downward price action right here and having, you know, an upward, you know, momentum here in the RSI, showing that there are actually buyers showing up right here. And yeah, this is encouraging to see. Hopefully we don't dip below these levels right here on the RSI, and we keep trending to the upside, and we can be able to, you know, finally break above the resistances of the 200 daily moving average and the 100 moving average combined. They are all at the same spot at the moment, and I think it's a monumental fight right here. Let's break and close above it, maybe set 1 2 3 4 5, or even like nice weekly candles above these levels, and I think the Jasmy price that will be in a good spot, right? Yeah, I obviously believe that the Jasmy price that will hit like price targets of something like 4.5 cents right here, according to the falling wedge that we have. Maybe the moving averages are making it a little bit difficult right here. Let me go ahead and close them to see the falling wedge properly here. So this is your falling wedge that we broke out of something like around the 6th of January this year. We have had a good price action to the upside. Now it seems like we are having a back test. We haven't yet confirmed that, but the moment we set a higher high compared to this level right here, that's something like $0.0083 per Jasmy. That would be something that is really good. So like what I said, 4.5 cents the technical price target right here. This is the conservative price target actually, and then finally having something like 9, 10, 11 cents per Jasmy will be very, very good. We're actually at the very, very top of the falling wedge there. So yeah, going back to the shorter time frame here, you could also say that the Jasmy price that is looking like it's in a net wake of accumulation structure right here. Really not entertaining that idea too much, simply because I don't think that the support level is that much strong. Obviously it was a nice support back then when we drew it right here, but I'm really keeping my my hopes low, right? So I'm cautiously optimistic here that the Jasmy price that is in a wake of accumulation, you would go ahead and say that this is maybe your preliminary support, this is your selling climax, and then maybe you come back to the top of the range right here, have a back test, and then multiple back tests, you head into your creek right here, and this right here, this capitulation, this massive candle you see to the downside would be your spring moment. And in cases like these ones, after your spring moment, you have a back test, obviously a strength of a sign of strength, sorry, so that would also come up in in form of an ABC correction. So that would be A, maybe your B wave right here, and your C wave right here before you finally get the price to go out of the trading range, and maybe you'll be expecting something like this. So I hope to see something like this happening on the Jasmy price set. And if you actually take a closer look, you can also see that. Let me go ahead and also deactivate those moving averages. You can also see that the price action that you see right here is replicating somehow of the same price action that happened right here. Look at this. You have your preliminary support right around this area, you have got your selling climax, you've got a secondary test, multiple ones. Obviously you go to exit the top of the range right here, you do the same thing right here after having your capitulation right here, and then multiple secondary tests, obviously, and then you try one more time, you head into your creek. This will be this moment right here, and then finally you have your capitulation, and then the working out that happened right here, the sign of strength that shows up, and finally you let go of the price chart, you head to the upside. So these are the things that I'm looking forward to here on the Jasmy price chart in the immediate short term. But obviously this is just my own opinion, and you should not consume it. This is financial advice. But if you like the video, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I'll have to see you on the next one. Take care, bye.